Hey there, Dr. James Fedich here, Village Family Clinic. Tell you a little bit about car accidents today. I actually got into chiropractic from a car accident. I was 13 years old, hit really hard from the side in a car wreck. Couldn't play basketball, couldn't play sports anymore, and a chiropractor got me back on track. So I tell you a little bit about car accidents. So a lot of times car accidents were hit with quite a lot of force. It's not actually the speed of the vehicle, but the weight of it. So that whole weight of the vehicle, 4 or 5,000 pounds, gets transferred through your body, and most of it ends up impacting the spine. So one of the more common injuries, people often say whiplash. The technical name for that is a flexion extension injury. And this is our spine from the side here. Your neck has a normal curve here. This would be your skull and your throat here. But it's really called a flexion extension injury. So what will happen when we get hit, the neck will go forward, then come back, and oftentimes hit the seat. And that's a common whiplash injury. What will happen is it'll tear these muscles in the back of the neck, tearing those muscles, causing neck pain, spasm, headaches, all those kind of things. It's actually a little more complex than that. A lot of the force comes through the thoracic or middle back spine here. It's called an S-shaped injury. So the force will come up through here, causing that to not only jerk that way, but push up as well. So the force will come through the back through here, then causing the neck to go forward and backwards. We'll also a lot of times see lumbar disc injuries and lower back injuries. The same force in the upper back and neck is going forward and backwards, will come and hit the back and get this shearing force, can often injure the low back distal nerve. So in New Jersey, it's a no-fault state, which means that it doesn't matter who's at fault of the accident. If you've been hurt in a car accident, auto insurance will pay your claims at 100% typically for chiropractic care. So it doesn't matter if your fault, the other fault, doesn't matter whose fault it is. You're going to get paid by the insurance company, and the insurance company will figure that all out later. So if you or anyone you know has been injured in a car accident, it's very important to get these problems fixed. So what will happen if you don't fix these soft tissue or disc injuries when they first happen, will eventually start forming some scar tissue, and it just gets tighter and tighter and tighter, and eventually it'll get kind of stuck that way. So it's really important, if you already know, these muscle fibers should smoothly move back and forth. When they're torn, they start wrapping all up and forming scar tissue and pulling in there. So it's really important, if you already know has been involved in the car accident, get their spine checked by a chiropractor who knows how to handle your auto insurance claims, has a billing staff, knows how to get you the care that you need. So if you already know it's been a car wreck, give us a call at 908-813-8200.